Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture, we're going to have a brief introduction to how to use the possessive pronoun my in Russian. So possessive pronouns are words like mine, yours, hers, his. They're words that indicate possession. And the possessive pronoun my in Russian must indicate the gender of the noun it modifies. So gender is super important in Russian, and pretty much everything has to indicate gender in some way. So when you say my in Russian, you have to look at the noun that you're going to attach the word my to, see the gender of that noun, and then use the correct form of the word my. The masculine nominative form is moj. And so if we have the word drug, male friend, we need to use the masculine form because it's masculine. So we'd say, это мой друг. This is my friend, and we're indicating that the friend is male. If we have the word brat, brother, which is also grammatically masculine, once again, we're going to say, это мой брат. This is my brother. So drug and brat are masculine, and so we're going to use the masculine form of my. We're going to say moj. Moj drug, moj brat. However, if we have a feminine noun, then we need to use the feminine form, which in the nominative case, which we'll talk about more later, is моя. So we could say, это моя подруга. This is my female friend. Note that we have друг, male friend, подруга, female friend. Or if we have the word sister, сестра is feminine, and so we'll say, это моя сестра. This is my sister. And so there you have it. It's not quite what we do in English. It's a little more complicated, but it's still pretty straightforward. And just remember that the important thing is not the gender of who is speaking, but the gender of the noun that you are talking about. So if you want to say this is my something and the thing that you possess is masculine, you're going to use moj. If you want to say this is my something and the thing that you possess is feminine, you're going to use моя. And it doesn't matter if you are a man or a woman. What matters is the noun that you are talking about. So I hope you found that helpful, and we will continue talking about gender and endings in the next lectures.